Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is IBIYE and you most welcome back again to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys the simple everyday makeup look I'm currently wearing. I'll also show you guys this affordable braided ponytail wig, and lastly I'll be showing you guys this mini jewelry pieces that I got. So guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video, and also comment down below if you find this video interesting and helpful in a way. So guys, let's get into the video.
So guys, I'm using this spoolie brush to brush my brow upwards, and I'm using this David's pencil in the color 18 to line my brow. I'm just doing it gently, following the line that my brow is normally carved. Then I just gently stroke the brow softly. Then I'm doing the same thing for the other brow. I'm using the same spoolie brush to brush it upwards to clean up any harsh lines and just make it more smoother. I'm using the LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn and this concealer brush to give my brow some definition. And I'm just blending it downwards. So guys, comment down below if you want a dedicated tutorial on how I do my brows. Let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly film a video for you guys. I'm using this fluffy blending brush and I'm using the Jacqueline Hill eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this shade, the brown shade, to give it this natural look at my crease. So I'm just blending gently. Then I wanted some glitter, so I'm just using my finger to add some glitter onto my eyelid. and I'm going with the same fluffy brush to just smoothen everything out. Next, I'm using this eyeliner to line my eye. Next, I'm using the mascara to give my lashes some definition. So guys, I went ahead to do my lashes off camera. I'm using this Glam Girl Professional Makeup Foundation and also Afro foundation because I couldn't get a foundation my color, so I have to like blend into foundations. So I'm using this beauty blender. Pro tip: before using the beauty blender, make sure your beauty blender is damp for easy application of your foundation. Just as you can see, as I'm blending, it's just blending so very well. So I'm blending, 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 blending. This is the first coating, and I'm going to blend in another foundation again to have that full coverage. So guys, be patient while blending so you could actually blend in your foundation properly. So after blending my foundation in, I'm using this Blossom Face Definer to just define my face, to highlight my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin and my forehead, and just contour a bit and just add some highlighter to my face. And I'm using this brush to actually add the contour to my face, this angled brush. So after that, I'm using this ZKL Cosmetics to set the whole of my face. And I'm doing that using this fluffy powder brush. So next, I'm using this black eye pencil to darken, to line my under eye. I'm using the same brow pencil to line my lips. Oh, I've almost forgot. I'm using this setting spray, classic setting spray, to set the makeup. Then lastly, I'm applying my lip gloss and the makeup is done. Just a simple makeup that you can actually do on a daily basis. You're not adding much to your face. So do we love the makeup? Do we love the makeup? Is it given? Is it given? Next, I'm using this edge control to lay my edges. So guys, the star of the show is this affordable braided ponytail wig. It has two combs. You can actually do it on your own. So guys, if you want to see a video on how I made this affordable ponytail braided wig, do comment down below and I'll make a video for you guys. So guys, I made my hair in a chuku, and you can actually braid your hair any chuku style that you want. So I'm attaching the combs onto my natural hair, and just securing it tightly. Then I used about 3 to 4 strands of the hair to give it that extra hold. So guys, do we love the hair? Do we love the hair?
It's one way. So guys, it's one way of doing this. Either you keep it like this or you put it up in a bun, as I'm doing. You put it up in a bun. Okay. Put it up in a bun like this. Or you could leave it straight as it is.
So guys, DM me on Aduna Hair for this affordable braided wig, and also EBIYE for your 5% discount. Up on YouTube and also on IG if you're going to try out this hairstyle. Wow, it looks so fine. Is the hair given? So next it's jewelry time. So I got this lovely jewelry from Haven Accessories on IG. It looks cute. And these lovely hoops. You can never go wrong with good jewelry. Look at how it just transformed my look all together. It's very beautiful. And lastly, my lovely bracelet. So guys, thanks for watching and sticking around with me. See you in my next one. Thank you for watching.